Throughout this video, I'll show you how to create subscriptions/recurring payments on your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. I'll show you two different ways in how you can add recurring payments to your website. So for example, we've got this gym membership here, where this is just a straight recurring payment options with a $9.97 sign up fee. Whereas here, we're giving users the options to make a one-time payment of $10 for 10 stock photos, or they can pay us $9 a month, right? And this is billed monthly, and they'll get 10 stock photos every month. So if you want to implement any of these, the first step is to head over to aovup.com, go ahead and download the AOVUp subscriptions plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. For the first method, we're just going to create a straight subscription product like this gym membership here. So let's head back over to our dashboard and let's navigate over to, so we'll go products and then add new. And then this is the name of our subscription product, right? So let's say, let's stick with the gym theme. So let's just say gym membership. Okay, and then on the product data here, we'll select simple subscription. We can also select variable subscription. And as you can imagine, it works just the same as a simple product and a variable product. The only difference is we're applying recurring payments. So for the subscription price, we can say this will be $9.99. We can choose a frequency here. We'll just say every month just to keep it simple, right? We can automatically stop the renewal after certain payments have collected. We can choose to stop the auto renew after a particular time period, right? So maybe after 3 months, we can stop the auto renew, but I'm just going to set this to do not cancel. So I'm just going to set this to do not stop until cancel, right? So we'll only cancel this once the customer actually cancels it from their dashboard. We can offer a free trial as well, and we can offer a paid trial. We're just going to ignore these and keep it super simple. Just like any other product, we'll choose our category and then we can just hit publish. Let's view the subscription. All right, so this is our gym membership. So we can go ahead and subscribe for $9.99, billed every month. Now I'll show you how you can add a subscription to an existing product. And it will be similar to this method here, where they can do a one-off purchase or they can subscribe and save. So first, let's highlight the product that we're going to add our recurring subscriptions to. So I'm going to navigate over to my dashboard here. Okay, and we can see this is a simple product. So we're going to add a subscription element to this vitamin product here. So now let's head over to AOVUp and then subscription. Let's navigate over to plans. So I've already created one beforehand, so I'm just going to remove this. And then let's click create new plan. We'll give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. So for the subscribe and save text, we can say subscribe and save, or we can say something like auto ship, right? And then here is that purchase option text. So I'll show you exactly what these looks like. This is where we'd add our subscribe and save text, right? And this is that purchase plan text. On the type, so we've got a few different options here and there'll be more added in the future as well. So currently we've got subscriptions, deposits, installments. Just want to stick with subscriptions for now. And then we can go ahead and click add plan. And here we could say they can get those vitamins delivered to them monthly, and we can add a discount off the original price just to entice them to subscribe, right? So we get that recurring payment and that will boost our LTV. So let's give them a generous 10% discount for subscribing every month. Let's choose a category in which we want to apply this subscription plan to, and this will be our vitamin category. And then let's just hit save changes. All right, now let's view our vitamins product. Okay, so here we can see our customers can do a one-time purchase or they can subscribe and save for $45 every month, and they'll have this delivered to them every month.